Hello. In this video, I want to solve a compound interest question. How much will be in an account in 15 years if the account currently has $1,580.86 and earns interest at a rate of 1.76% compounded monthly? Round to the nearest cent. Okay, so when you're dealing with compound interest, which is what this is, we have 5 different variables: A, P, R, and T. Okay, so notice that it says how much will be in an account in 15 years. That tells me that I don't know what the future value is going to be. That's what we want to figure out. So let's go ahead and read this again. So how much will be in an account in 15 years? Notice that 15 years, oops, sorry, wrong thing. There we go, is simply the time in 15 years. If the account currently has, now listen to what I just said there. I said currently has $1,580.86. That is the present value because it's what it is. That's what the account has today. And it earns at a rate of 1.76%. Now notice that is just an interest rate right there. But we have to take that decimal and move it 2 places to the left and include a 0 for that missing place. So 0.0176 will be R. Alrighty. Compounded monthly. Now notice that compounded monthly tells me what N is. Monthly is 12 because there are 12 months in a year. Round to the nearest cent. Okay, so at this point we need to just remember the formula. A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the N times T. Now this is actually an exponential function in terms of time, and it isn't in terms of other things. So it really depends on what we're looking for. So here A is what we want to find. So in the formula, I'm just going to leave A as A. Then I'm going to plug in our values. We have the P of 1580.86 times the 1 plus the R of 0.0176, and then over the 12, which is N, all to the 12 times T, which is 15. You know what? Let's use pink. Nope. Let's use red for the compound monthly. There we go. Excellent. Alrighty, and at this point, you just type this into your calculator and round to the nearest penny, it says. So take your calculator out, which I obviously have up on my screen. I've not turned it off whatsoever. I don't know what you're talking about. Stop accusing me of things. Oh, so whenever you type this in, 1580.86 times 1 plus 0.0176 all over 12, all to the 12 times 15, you're going to get the future value is $2,058.08. Now that's a little bit higher. That's not very much higher at all. The reason why is because the interest rate is so low. A low interest rate produces a low future value. The higher your interest rate, obviously, the higher your future value will be. And actually, the higher your number of compounding events per year, the higher your future value will be as well. And of course, time. So the future value is actually directly proportional to all of these, where as they go up, the future value will go up. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this particular video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.